Hi everyone, myself Sridevi Acharya. Today I am going to discuss very important topic haloalkanes and haloarenes. Here halo means halogen. Group 17 elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Haloalkanes is an alkane with a hydrogen replaced with a halogen. Haloalkanes are the alkanes which contains halogen atom in them. It is also called as alkyl halides. So haloalkanes is the monohalogen derivative of alkane. Haloarenes are the aromatic hydrocarbon which contain halogen in them. It is also called as aryl halides. For example, monohaloalkane, monohaloarene, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane. For example, monohaloalkane, ethyl chloride, propyl chloride, iodoethane. Monohaloarenes, so here example chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. These are the examples of haloarenes. Classification of organic halogen compound. First one, based on number of halogen atoms. Depending on the number of halogen atoms present in a molecule, haloalkanes are classified as monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, trihaloalkanes. Here first one, monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom of each molecule of alkane with a halogen atom. Monohaloalkanes are also called as alkyl halides. They have general formula CnH2n plus 1X. Here X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. For example, methyl bromide, ethyl bromide, iodoethane, bromomethane. Depends on nature of carbon atom to which the halogen is attached to alkyl halides. They are classified as primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. First one, primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides contain the halogen atom attached to a primary carbon atom. Hence, the carbon atom to which halogen is attached contains two hydrogen atoms. Here, general formula RCH2X. So, here carbon containing halogen atom, it contains two hydrogen atoms. For example, CH3, CH2, Br, bromoethane, or it is called as ethyl bromide. The second one, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Here X means Cl. So this halogen atom attached to this primary carbon, that primary carbon contains two hydrogen atoms. This one is 1-chloropropane, or it is also called as N-propyl chloride. Second one is secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides contain the halogen atom attached to a secondary carbon atom. Hence, the carbon atom to which halogen is attached contains one hydrogen atom. General formula R2CHX. Here X is halogen atom. This halogen atom attached to a carbon containing one hydrogen atom. For example, CH3, CH, Cl, CH3, 2-chloropropane, or it is called as isopropyl chloride. CH3, CH2, CH, Br, CH3. It is called as 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane. At third one is tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halides contain the halogen atom attached to a tertiary carbon atom. Hence, the carbon atom to which the halogen is attached does not contain any hydrogen atoms. Here the general formula R3CX. Here X means halogen atoms. Here halogen atoms attached to a carbon containing does not any hydrogen atoms. For example, 2-chloro, 2-methylpropane, 2-bromo, 2-methylpropane. Here R1, R2, R3, CH3, CH3, CH3. So this carbon containing chlorine atoms, 2-chloro, 2-methylpropane. Dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes are obtained by replacing two hydrogen atoms of each molecule of an alkane with halogen atoms. There are mainly of two types. One is geminal dihalides, gem dihalides, and another one is vicinal dihalides or with geminal dihalides. Here geminal is derived from Latin word gemini. The word gemini means twins, so it is called as gem dihalides. Dihaloalkanes containing both the halogen atoms attached to the same carbon atom are called geminal dihalides. They are also called as alkylidine dihalides. So here these two chlorine atoms attached to the same carbon atom. These two chlorine atoms are attached to a same carbon atoms. So for example, 1,1-dichloroethane. So here these chlorine atoms are attached to these carbon atoms. These carbon atoms, so it is called as geminal dihalides. Gemini means twins. So next, vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides. Here the vicinal is the Latin word vicinus. The word vicinus meaning it is neighbor. It is neighbor. Dihaloalkanes containing two halogen atoms attached to adjacent carbon atom are called vicinal dihalides. They are also named as alkylene dihalides. For example, 1,2-dichloropropane. So here these chlorine atoms, these two halogen atoms attached to a neighbor. Second one, classification of organic halogen compound based on hybridization. Based on hybridization of carbon atom containing halogen atom, the organic halogen compounds are classified as: first one, compounds containing halogen atom on sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and second one, compounds containing halogen atom on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Here first one, compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bond. First one, haloalkanes and alkyl halides. B, allylic halides. Allylic halides, these are the compounds in which halogen is attached to sp3 carbon next to an carbon-carbon double bond, that is to an allylic carbon. So here this sp3 carbon atom to an carbon-carbon double bond next to an halogen atoms are attached. So this halogen atom, this carbon atom, it is called as carbon-carbon double bond. This is called as a allylic carbon. This is called as allylic carbon. So here next one is this benzene ring, this double bond attached to next to a carbon halogen atom is attached. So this is called as allylic carbon. This is called as allylic carbon. So this carbon atom called as allylic carbon. This carbon atom is called as benzylic halides. These are the compounds in which halogen is attached to sp3 carbon next to an aromatic ring. So here this sp3 carbon, the halogen atoms attached to a next to a aromatic ring. So this carbon atom is called as benzylic carbon. This carbon atom is called as benzylic carbon. So next one, compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond. In these compounds, halogen is attached to an sp2 hybridized carbon. They are divided into two types. One is vinylic halides. Vinylic halides. In these compounds, halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond. Here sp2 carbon, so this one is sp2 carbon. Here this directly attached to halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this is called as vinylic group. This one is called as vinylic group. So next one is aryl halides or haloarenes. Here directly attached to a halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 carbon atom.